Hello and welcome to my channel. First things first, please subscribe to my channel. And also, I want to talk real quick because this week a lot of things will be changing with my videos. We just ordered all new lights. Right now all of our lights we've been using we have actually made ourselves. So that's why the quality isn't the best. But everything should be here before Friday, or at least by Friday. So I'm going to do unboxing with all that, and I'm going to show the ones we made compared to the ones that we bought. Because we bought a diva ring light and the softbox lights, and we just got this backdrop with the frame and everything, and we bought a couple backdrops, so that will change a little bit. So yeah, hopefully the videos will be a little better quality. Video is about highlighting, bronzing, contouring, all that, but a simple way. Like, I'm all about simple, not crazy all over. So let's get started. My primer on already. So now I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm using the Clinique. My favorite. I've said that before. It is, and it will probably forever be my favorite. And also, I have like a big pimple right here, so I will probably be going down to my neck a lot because I'm going to try to hide it. So I got my foundation on. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my Tarte concealer. Now, this is it's pretty much right now the color of my skin, so it's not really contouring with it. I put it under my eyes for extra coverage, and I can actually, like, to try and hide this a little more, put some concealer on it. But I always, if you want to highlight the face, you definitely want a shade lighter, one shade lighter, not 2, 3, a whole bunch. That's very obvious. To put under your eyes and to do between your eyes. So I do not have that right now. The Shade and Light palette plus the Tarte, but a cream shade. So it's called Shade. From the Tarte palette, you kind of want something kind of stiff, but it's your preference on how you want to do it. And if you do a cream, you want to go in with the powder, or it will crease and look not the best. So I'm gonna, and this stuff is very thick. Like, when I first used it, I was like, oh my gosh. And I don't know, let me see how this brush works. So you want to kind of sculpt the cheek, and you don't want to go too close, which sometimes I do, but you want to start there and kind of work. Woo! Yeah, this brush might be too big, but we're gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh, I think I put too much, but kind of sculpt them both out. And you want to start your ear and down. I smell my brush because they smell so good. Their products always smell so good. I love Tarte. Their stuff smells good. Okay, now you can take, I might have to take a kabuki brush because I mean, that stuff is thick and it just, so, and you want to buff it up. My hair. But yeah, see, kind of blend it in, buff it up. Yeah, so it does blend pretty good, that's for sure. And I actually haven't, but I haven't used this. I only used the cream shade once, and it was a lot, so yeah, this is really my second time using it. You just kind of have to work with it. Yeah, and roll with it and figure it out. But anyway, cream shade. Well, I guess since I've been using the cream shade, might as well use it for the rest. Now, my forehead's kind of medium, you know, so I do always put, I just tapped off the excess and there is none because it's a cream, but put some up here. Woo! Always to keep it on my face. Now, you can do your nose. I've never done my nose with a cream shade, so I might. Well, she has a smaller kind of blended out pretty good. Do your nose. I just blended that, kind of did that, but a quick contour, you kind of want to do a 3 and go down here. So I probably should have blended that out, but I was so worried because there was so much on there, but it actually worked pretty good. So you kind of want to go here, there, which I already did, I'm not going to do it again, and then around. So here, like a number 3 on your face. And I already did there, so I'm going to go down to my chin. And then this kabuki brush works really good. It's nice and soft. It's not too hard, but yeah, so you're going to blend out your 3. And you don't want to take it out too far, you know. Especially in your forehead. If you kind of have a small forehead or a forehead like mine, you don't want to bring it down too far or you'll make your forehead look smaller. And that's how I do that quick. But whatever you do with the cream, you're going to do with the powder. So I'm going to take the Hulu just because I know it's a good color, matches my skin really good. On the Shade and Light palette, the Shadow Play color, that works pretty good. Sometimes it looks muddy-ish on my face. So I'm just going to take the Hulu bronzer because I know it will look good. I take my brush. You just want to go where you blend up. Go where you already did. Definitely bring more color. Definitely did. But now, so the Light and Shade palette, I am going to take probably the 3rd shade in the palette, Lucid, I don't know, and pat it under my eyes to kind of lighten that up. Now, the colors are what works with your skin, so yeah, if you're very light, you definitely don't want to be using the dark stuff I have. But use the shade, also use the shade Levitation. That's like a kind of brighten it up a little more. The middle shade's a little bit too yellow. And I'm gonna just go up here, kind of lighten that up. And I'll kind of go down my nose. I'll take a little darker shade, which is Shadow Play, and since I did put some bronzer on there, cream bronzer. But that, you can definitely see the bronze. Blush, you can use blush if you want. I'm gonna use Peaches by MAC. You don't have to use blush. I don't know, I do and I don't. Just kind of, so this face isn't too bronzy, I want to put some of this on. Give it a little bit more color. But I always like to contour and all that, usually a quick contour. I a lot of times just do like my forehead and my cheekbones. Sometimes my nose, if I'm hating my nose that day because I do have a big nose, then I contour it a little bit, or take the baking powder and powder the whole freaking thing. I'm gonna highlight. Now, some people go crazy with their highlighter. I kind of do too, but oh, I actually didn't really finish my neck right here. The eyelash just went flying. I think I see it though. Cover that. Now this, also collarbones. You can contour all that too, but I'm not. Mine already pop out really kind of bad. So I'm just going to highlight these. Just going to highlight them. I don't like to contour them because I don't like to bring too much attention to them. So I probably shouldn't highlight them either. But I like to highlight to kind of get the glow to go with my face. So in the Tarte palette, the Tarte Pro Glow, I really love Stunner on my skin. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to start with my bones. And I usually just, oh yeah, you can see that. Go here. Kind of do the shoulders. Definitely go and gives a nice glow. Now I'm going to take Stunner, and you kind of want to do it right in here. Kind of where your bone pops out. You just want to make it pop. Look at that. I love Stunner from Tarte. It's my favorite. And actually, I'm happy because I got one in this Pro Glow palette. My other one broke. I showed you all that in one of my videos. So I was happy when I got this and had Stunner in it. I was like, heck yes. So we go over here. You can go up, which you kind of, I don't know. It depends how glowy you want. Now, sometimes people do here, nose, lip, chin, above eyebrows. I'm gonna do a little here, and a little on my nose, here, and here. Okay, so, and that completes pretty much the whole face without the eyes. Well, I need to set my face. But I haven't done my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I just do the quick gimme brow anyway, and then I'm gonna do put my eyelashes on and probably a couple shades of eyeshadow. I'm not all for a whole bunch of dramatic look today. I want to be simple, pretty much just glow and bronze and, you know, highlighted and everything. So I'll be back to show you my finished look. Okay, so I'm back. I did my eyes. For my eyeshadow, I just put on the Tarte Pro Glow, I just put a couple different shades on my eyes. I put Lit, the whole thing, Strobe on top, Stunner, inner corner and under my eyes. Just, I don't want to mess with any palettes today. But also for a glow, or a super highlight, this Laura Mercier Glow Translucent Powder is so super glowy highlight. It's crazy. So I probably should have used that too to show you, but I am real quick down here. Now, the best way to apply it, you know, I don't even know. Last time I did it with a sponge, and it was crazy everywhere. So, I'm just going to take, this is like just a fluffy brush. Like, super. See, oh yeah, see that? And you want to rub it in, you can see it glow. It's like super, super, super glowy. It's really pretty. And like, I know summertime's like over, but I'm still doing the glowy look today. It's so pretty. But no, for real. Now, this is a mini size, and let me tell you, that's enough unless you're glowing, trying to glow every day. But the mini size is actually still pretty big, but just got it all over my shirt, but it's pretty, pretty, pretty. Super glowy. I'm still glowing from the Stunner and all that, but so let me take my hair down. See my hair, y'all? This back's kind of shorter, but let me do a spin. Woo! anyways, that completes today's look. Super glowy but cute. Like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a video every day, every other day. Secret unboxing coming this week. It's supposed to come Wednesday, so I might do it Thursday morning. Some of my weekdays are super busy, and I don't have time to film in the evening, and there's kids running around, and my kids are home, and you know, Corey's here, and he's just as bad too sometimes. So please like and subscribe and click the notification button, because I should have videos coming every day, every other day. The weekends are the only time. I'm super busy, but we have a big video planned this weekend, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching.